So we were trying to install the fog lights which we got from Rolling Pistons. These are from Shilan, and I'll just turn on the flash. So this is how we have done the installation of this. There is a small bolt here which looks like a bolt, however it is a pin, a plastic pin. We have removed it, and inside that, if you see, we need to remove this bolt as well. And once you do that, you will see there's a small cavity here in which you have to fit a nut inside it, nut and a bolt. So in order to do that, we have welded this along with a plate so that the nut won't move inside and it will stay as is. And once we do that, we just have to insert that inside this particular cavity, inside this cavity from here, and then you put a L-shaped plate or a holder on it like this, and just tighten it up. On this you can fit the Shilan lights like this. The wiring is yet to be done because we have to fit another light onto it. Post that, a complete video will be coming up soon. These are the stock lights of the Yamaha R15 version 3 on low beam. This is the high beam. Now the major problem with the Yamaha R15 version 3 is when you press the front brake. Because of the nosedive, the lights also move down. That is one. Second, the spread is not too great. The camera is not able to capture all the light around, but this is what it is in reality as well, pretty much. Now let's turn the auxiliary lights on. These are the auxiliary lights from Shilan. This is the high beam mode. This is the low beam plus the high beam mode. My lights are not aligned really well. As you can see, the right one is focusing somewhere here, the left one is here. This is the stock light, low beam, high beam, low beam, high beam again. You can barely see few dogs sitting there with the stock lights. Oh, you can't see them at all. This is the high beam from the Shilan lights. High beam plus the low beam, just the low beam. Even in just the low beam, you can barely see the dogs sitting there. In high beam, you can clearly see them. In low beam plus the high beam, you can again clearly see them. The stock light is again somewhere in between. Auxiliary lights low beam, stock light in between. Auxiliary light high beam, stock light in between. Auxiliary light high and low together, stock light in between.